Medical field is transforming with several ways of treatments. However, homeopathy maintains its importance and effectiveness. Unique features like targeting the root cause of disease with providing complete cure for the patient is something that has been the reason of homeopathy's popularity even today. Due to increasing awareness, a large number of patients are opting for homeopathy, from the common man to the elite class. Experts of homeopathy, on the basis of their research and meticulous and sincere efforts to help patients get remedy, are not only finding solutions for several serious chronic diseases and helping patients live a normal and healthy life, but also creating large-scale public awareness about this treatment. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane, one of the most reputed homeopathy practitioners of the world and the founder and CEO of modern homeopathy, has been practicing for more than 2 decades and has been successfully curing numerous patients with serious and chronic diseases through his extensive research and innovative treatment methods. He is also helping patients to regain self-confidence and live a happy and healthy life. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane started his medical career as a lecturer and did extensive researches on traditional treatment therapy and invented simple curative line of treatment named modern homeopathy for several incurable diseases and gave relief to numerous patients. His journey began around 1998 from Kolhapur, and steadily it spread to other parts of Maharashtra as well. Soon, patients from other states of India as well as patients from around the world started visiting him and consulting him for his treatment. No doubt, his innovative ways soon proved beneficiary for the patients. Modern homeopathy's curative line of treatment has come into existence through thorough research, vast experience, and a huge database of successful case histories of patients of Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. His continuous efforts to excel and steadfast research for further innovations, searching solutions for the patients with the most complicated symptoms have been the reason for his success. Dr. Mane is continuously working towards inventing new, effective treatments and innovative medicines of various serious and pathologically advanced diseases like cancer, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, and other incurable diseases. Modern homeopathy is also designed to manufacture and produce medicines formulated and innovated by Dr. Mane. Medicines which are found both in liquid form and in globules and are easily consumable and highly result-oriented.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mrunmayee and welcome to your favorite health series, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. Yes, we do live in modern world and we also face challenges of modern world. One of them is alcoholism. What alcoholism can cause to our liver? It can also lead to alcoholic liver cirrhosis. Can we treat alcoholic liver cirrhosis? In modern homeopathy, what kind of treatment do we have for alcoholic liver cirrhosis? We will be talking about this. And I'm glad today we have with us CEO of Modern Homeopathy, Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Welcome to the show.
Hello.
So, when we talk about alcoholic liver cirrhosis, it is caused by alcohol, but what will you say about this particular disease?
Alcoholic liver cirrhosis is more common in India. It is more common in young peoples because young people drinks heavily and continuously for longer duration. So, alcoholic liver cirrhosis is more common in Indian young peoples.
So, do we have any numbers or any data about alcoholic liver cirrhosis, particularly in India?
Yes, we have. As the name itself suggests that alcoholic liver cirrhosis means liver disease related with alcohol. It occurs due to heavy consumption of alcohol for decades. Near about 20% of patients who are consuming alcohols for longer time develop the alcoholic liver cirrhosis or alcoholic liver disease. It is the most advanced disease from in comparison with other liver cirrhosis. As we know that liver filters the blood of toxins, breaks down the proteins and creates bile to help the body to absorb the fats. and it also synthesizes the proteins. So, all the function hampers after the cirrhosis, development of cirrhosis. At that condition we called is as alcoholic liver cirrhosis, when the full blown picture of liver cirrhosis develops. Nowadays liver disease continues to be a significant health problem in India. According to recently available WHO data, liver disease deaths in India has reached 2,59,000, that is 2.95% of total deaths. India is been ranking 63rd in the world for the deaths occurring due to liver disease. Liver disease may affect every 1 in 5 individuals. Around 10 lakh patients of alcoholic liver cirrhosis are newly diagnosed every year in India. Liver disease is the 10th most common cause of death in India as per WHO.
Okay.
Coming to the causes of alcoholic liver cirrhosis, it is mostly due to damage caused by alcohol due to prolonged intake or overconsumption. When the healthy tissue is being scarred, the liver stops working normally. Cirrhosis of liver can occur due to variety of causes. However, alcoholic liver cirrhosis is directly related with alcoholic intake or extra consumption.
So, what can we say about liver? What importance we can say about liver so that people watching this show can, prevent themselves from being alcoholic?
Regarding functions of liver, we can say that liver does many vital functions in our body. The functions like formation of proteins or synthesis of proteins related with hemoglobin synthesis, then making platelets. Then liver also is very important organ related with consumption of fat or fat metabolism. These are various functions related with liver.
So, this is a grave disease and can we prevent it?
Yes, we can prevent. As per as alcoholic liver cirrhosis, it is totally preventable.
Yes.
When anyone who is taking alcohol can stop alcohol, that will be the first step to prevent alcoholic liver cirrhosis.
And how do we know that this is alcoholic liver cirrhosis? I mean, what symptoms we have?
If there is a prolonged history of alcohol intake and in heavy doses, if the patient develops the signs and symptoms of liver cirrhosis, that means if there is loss of appetite, loss of weight, swelling of abdomen, loose stools or chronic constipation, yellow or black discoloration of body, swelling of abdomen, swelling of or pitting type of edema over legs, edema over face and arms. Other things are yellow discoloration of the body, itching of body. These are the main symptoms of chronic liver disease or liver cirrhosis.
And for alcoholic liver cirrhosis, what is the conventional treatment which is used currently?
Before treatment, we can say few other symptoms are also there. Slurred speech, or due to increase in ammonia, patient may develop into coma or in comatose stage.
So, it can lead to comatose stage
Yes,
also.
it can lead to coma or it can lead to death.
So, for this serious disease, what treatment we have right now?
Before treatment, we can we can talk about diagnosis of liver cirrhosis.
Okay.
That is very important. We can diagnose liver cirrhosis with signs and symptoms with few pathological and imaging tests also.
Okay.
Pathological tests include blood counts. In CBC, hemoglobin get lower and lower day by day, that is patient is anemic. Then platelets also deranged platelet count, that means platelet diminishes always in full blown liver cirrhosis.
Okay.
Then deranged liver function test, that means bilirubin may get high and SGPT and SGOT get deranged, probably they are very high, and alkaline phosphatase is also very high. In imaging test, if we do sonography of abdomen and pelvis, then we can found formation of nodules due to this alcoholic liver cirrhosis.
Okay.
If sometimes if we suspect that there is liver cancer due to cirrhosis, then alpha fetoprotein levels are high and we can do CT scan of liver, then we will found tumor in liver.
Indeed, it is a very serious disease, but it is preventable. And if one gets alcoholic liver cirrhosis, then what treatment do we have in modern homeopathy? We will talk about it in details right after the break. Welcome back after the break. You're watching your favorite health series, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. Today we are talking about liver cirrhosis. Nilesh Shilarkhane is a patient who was diagnosed with alcoholic liver cirrhosis. He opted for the treatment of modern homeopathy. Let us see his reports and what he says about it.
Nilesh Prakash Shilarkhane, age 38 years, Pune. Diagnosed on December 2018, cured on November 2019. The young man, Nilesh, in his 30s, had a history about complaints in appetite loss and abdominal swelling.
मला जवळपास मला भूकच लागत नव्हती, जेवणच जात नव्हतं कुठल्या प्रकारचं, आणि पोट पूर्ण फुगायचं आणि हातापायाला पूर्ण सूज आली होती, चालता येत नव्हतं, बेडवरच सर्व माझं नित्यक्रम चालू होता.
He was forced to be bedridden and unable to do routines. In renowned KEM Hospital Pune, he had undergone dialysis for twice. After dialysis, situation became more worse than before. Nilesh lost his consciousness. Doctors informed his relatives that he may not be able to survive for a longer period. In this panic situation, he was diagnosed with liver disease. Suffering from severe jaundice secondary to liver cirrhosis, patient was in pre-stage of hepatic encephalopathy. In the report of 27 December 2018, serum bilirubin total 37.59. Serum bilirubin direct 27.23, indirect 10.36, and serum SGOT 109 was seen.
डिसेंबरमध्ये मला ॲडमिट केल्यानंतर डॉक्टरांनी मला लिव्हर ट्रान्सप्लांट सांगितलं होतं, पण माझी आर्थिक परिस्थिती पूर्ण ढासळली असल्यामुळे मला ते करणं शक्यही नव्हतं, आणि अशा प्रकारे मला डॉक्टरांनी घरी जाण्याचा सल्ला दिला.
In January 2019, his relatives recommended to seek consultation from modern homeopathy. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane thoroughly went through his reports, physical and mental status. He counseled and supported him for not to be upset. With careful study, Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane applied his curative line of treatment, and Nilesh was thus in the supervision of modern homeopathy for the liver cirrhosis. He was specified with modern homeopathy's health-curing medicines. He started homeopathic medicines under the guidance of Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. Just within 2 months, without hospitalization, Nilesh noticed there were improvements being seen. His mental status was feeling easiness. Body swelling subsided. His appetite began to improve. The reports taken on 19th January 2019 marked serum bilirubin total 30.2, serum bilirubin direct 23.14, and serum bilirubin indirect 7.06. With this improvement, he decided to continue modern homeopathy's treatment and medicines. In further medical rounds, his blood cell count went rising. Jaundice was in control. Liver function test showed declining trends. Nilesh felt glad as Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane's curative line of treatment avoided expensive liver transplant surgery, which was previously advised by liver transplant surgeons. On 26 August 2019, his liver function test reports indicated serum bilirubin total was settled at 2.31 from 37.59. Serum bilirubin direct at 0.60, which was 27.23 at the time of diagnosis, and serum bilirubin indirect at 1.71 from 10.36, which seemed quite normal. On 27 September 2019, final report evidently presented Nilesh's liver cirrhosis got reversed by Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. In this report, serum bilirubin total was observed 1.57, serum bilirubin direct at 0.91, and serum bilirubin indirect at 0.66. Besides, his sugar level also got under control. Fasting sugar was 350, which got settled to 123. PP sugar was 450, which got settled at 234, making him feel better. The USG abdomen and pelvis report dated 22nd February 2020 clearly shown there is no ascites, that is accumulation of fluid. Liver shows slightly coarse echo texture. Serum albumin 3.6. Serum bilirubin total 1.58. Before modern homeopathy's treatment, his hemoglobin count was just 9.1, which raised to the level of 12, and that leads the patient towards his normal life with the help of modern homeopathy. He thanked modern homeopathy for its immense medical treatment with no hospitalization, palatable doses, no side effects, and the most of all, he was pursuing his normal routine while treatment.
Mr. Nilesh Shilarkhane is completely cured with his disease alcoholic liver cirrhosis. We would like to know more about this case. We will talk about it right after the break. Welcome after the break. You're watching your favorite health series, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. In previous segment, we saw experience and reports of Mr. Nilesh Shilarkhane, and I know that we are curious to know in details about this case, and we will know all the details about this case from Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. Hello sir, and we are indeed, when we saw Mr. Shilarkhane's reports, and also we saw how he was before the treatment and after the treatment, and there is a big difference in this case. So what is your experience regarding this case?
I remember in January 2019, patient's elder brother and mother came to me along with the video clip of the patient,
Okay.
as patient was bedridden. He brought the reports and told all his symptoms. After taking the case and looking at the reports, I told patient that this disease can be cured and there is no need to go for liver transplant. Patient was started with our treatment immediately. Within 2 months of treatment, patient showed marked improvement in his symptoms. His ascites was gone.
Okay.
Patient started eating well. He was able to walk and move around. Patient gained healthy weight. As he continued with the treatment, he was better day by day. Presently, patient is still under treatment of modern homeopathy, and he is completely fine and doing all his regular activities like a normal individual. Now his bilirubin level has come down to 1.26. His creatinine level also came down to normal. When patient came to us in December 2018, his creatinine was too high, more than 12, and urea was 256.
Oh my God.
Patient and his family is very much happy about our treatment. And for me as a doctor, this is my greatest achievement to see my patients getting cured with modern homeopathic regime.
Yes, definitely, sir. So right now, other than modern homeopathy, what conventional treatment we have today?
Generally, the conventional treatment or method of treatment treats the patient symptomatically. If patient is having edema, then they treat with diuretics. If patient is having constipation, they treat with laxatives. If patient is having ascites or pleural effusion, they can tap the pleural or ascitic fluid. If patient is having vomiting of blood or vomiting or blood in stool, then they treat with banding.
Okay.
So these are the conventional treatments. They give only symptomatic relief. They don't have any curative line of treatment other than liver transplant.
Liver transplant is not a easy method or not a easy thing
It
to
is
do.
very much costly, and the success of rate of liver transplant is very much low. I think 1 out of 10 patient will get cured with liver transplant.
Okay.
And post-operative cost is also very high. They give immunosuppressive drugs, and the cost of immunosuppressive drugs is near about 1 lakh rupees per month.
Oh.
So it is too much costly. And cost of transplant is also very much high. It is near about 25 to 45, 50 lakhs for a liver transplant.
We saw the case and we saw the results also, and now today the patient is absolutely fine, absolutely healthy. So how exactly these medicines work on the patient?
As I have told you earlier in previous episodes, our treatment is based on theme that pathology is reversible under modern homeopathic regime. It's a research work in homeopathy, and the immunity of patient get benefited. The patient's immune system cures the patient. We can treat the root cause of the disease.
So modern homeopathy is dealing with the root cause of the disease.
We treats the human, not the disease. Homeopathy treats the human.
Okay. And what kind of treatment it is? Are they liquids, are they pills or
Homeopathic
injections?
medicine usually consists of liquids and pills also. We can give liquid medicines for particular patients of liver cirrhosis. Patient can take the treatment in his or her home. Most of the time there is no need of hospitalization and more expenditure also.
So you must have treated so many patients of liver cirrhosis in all
Yes.
these years, more than 20 years. So what is your overall experience about liver cirrhosis and modern homeopathy?
I am treating patients since last 25 years. My experience, I have found out that what we learned that liver cirrhosis is irreversible, incurable disease. It is reversible under our modern homeopathic treatment. Once our treatment is started, all the symptoms are of patient like fluid in abdomen, that is ascites or pleural effusion will go off, jaundice will get cured, all the symptoms gradually diminish. Also, serum creatinine and urea becomes normal. The disease will come back towards normalcy as the course is started. So, we try to treat the root cause of the patient, as I have told earlier, not the disease, and so we get cure. I would like to say that we get cure with liver cirrhosis.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your knowledge and your experience with us. If you have any further queries about liver cirrhosis, or you want to know more about modern homeopathy and treatments of modern homeopathy, you can call on the numbers seen on your screen. Here we take leave for today. Goodbye and take care.
Our address, Modern Homeopathy Research and Treatment Center, E Ward near Gita Temple, Kawalanaka, Kolhapur 416003. For counseling and guidance, contact at our centers below: Kolhapur, Dadar, Kalwa, Thane, Dhankawadi, Pune, Pimpri, Chinswar, Nashik, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Solapur, Goa, Madgaon and Mapsa, Karnataka, Bangalore and Hubli, Telangana, Hyderabad. For counseling and guidance, give missed call at 70388-33881. You can also contact us on 9730339009 or at 9372728009. Our toll-free number is 1800-121-8009. Our website www.modernhomeopathy.com. You can also email us at contact@modernhomeopathy.com.